Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? How are you? Man, what an afternoon, huh? It's freaking hot. It's like 100 degrees. Look what I've been doing. See all this? Oh, I've been cutting down that tree or whatever the hell it is. It's not easy. It was hard work. It was messing up my fence. See it? I already straightened it out, but it was all dented. See it? It was pushing my fence to the alley. So I had to get rid of it, guys. I did it all by myself. Hey, sissy. My little cat over there. Welcome to the jungle, baby. Welcome to the jungle. Alright, I'm gonna try to get that root out of there. Probably gonna be mission impossible. I'm gonna try. Alright, guys. Bueno. Take care and have a beautiful day, okay? Bye bye. Sissy, ¿qué tú haces, Sissy? Sissy. Sissy. You're so nosy. Alright, guys. Dale. Bye bye.